EICMA always brings a lot of excitement to the two-wheeler industry. It is fun to see ambitious and crazy concepts, upcoming products and so on. And Hero has added to that excitement by unveiling a bunch of upcoming scooters and some radical concepts. So let's dive right into it. The 160cc scooter segment in India is not that populated right now, with only the Yamaha Aerox and Aprilia SXR 160 on sale. So Hero thought, let's change that, and has unveiled the all-new Hero Xoom 160, a maxi scooter with some adventure DNA. The rugged and muscular design language gives the scooter a beefy look, and the spine, instead of a flat floorboard, gives it a tinge of sportiness. The front bug-eye-like LED headlights along with the beak makes it look rather interesting, something very different from general Hero products. What do you think about the design? Let us know in the comments. Even the motor is unique for a Hero scooter, a 156cc liquid-cooled engine, the second liquid-cooled engine from Hero after Charisma XMR. We expect the scooter to be a bit sporty. Oh, and it also gets i3S technology as well as silent starter. Making it a more versatile offering, the Hero Xoom 160 rolls on 14-inch alloy wheels, similar to Yamaha Aerox with block pattern tires. This should make it really fun to ride. Lastly, no details about the price or the launch date has been revealed yet, but we expect it to launch sometime in March 2024 with an expected price tag of Rs 1.45 lakh ex-showroom. The 125cc scooter segment is one of the most loved ones in India, and while Hero does have 125cc scooters in its portfolio, none of them are sporty enough to take on the TVS NTORQ 125 or even the Honda Dio 125. But Hero is changing that with the all-new Xoom 125R. Now the overall silhouette of the scooter looks very similar to Xoom 110, but this one is a bit more sporty with slightly sharper body panels. It gets a 125cc engine which is said to be more powerful than the Maestro Edge 125 and Destiny 125. Apart from that, it also gets LED sequential blinkers, stuff that you see on Audis. But what is the point of that on a scooter? It is feature packed though. It gets a fully digital console, turn-by-turn navigation and Bluetooth connectivity. And just like the 160, this too rolls on 14-inch alloy wheels. Both Xoom 125R and Xoom 160 are set to be production ready, and Xoom 125R is expected to launch in March 2024 with an expected price of Rs 1 lakh ex-showroom. Apart from the Xoom scooters, Hero has unveiled some radical concepts. First of which is called the 2.5R X Stunt. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. Anyway, this bike is all things sporty and comes powered by a 250cc liquid-cooled engine likely based on the Charisma XMR's motor. Keeping aside the really aggressive design, it gets some interesting bits like a trellis frame, USD fork up front, gas charge monoshock at the rear, discs at both ends, but the most fascinating bit about this concept is that it gets active aero technology, which allows the shape and position of body panels to change dynamically. That's pretty cool, man. Hero even unveiled two electric bike concepts under the Vida brand. The one for adults is called Lynx and the one for kids is called Acro for children between 3 to 9 years of age. The Lynx is an absolute dirt bike and weighs just 82 kgs. That's lighter than me. The last unveil from Hero at EICMA 2023 was a single-seater Hero Vida V1 Pro called the Coupe variant. I'm sorry, what? Well, you can switch the rear seat for a simpler cover, which makes it look thinner, I guess. Anyway, that's all from Hero at EICMA 2023, but Royal Enfield and some other manufacturers had some really interesting showcases and unveils, and we have covered those in our other videos. You can watch those videos by tapping on the links in the description below. And stay tuned to ZigWheels for more.